Good everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can easily embed audio files and video files here in Google Sites. Now this tutorial is very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if this is your first time using this software, you're a beginner, or in general, you're just not very proficient and you're not familiar with the whole interface of this website, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and everything that you have to know when it comes to using this website. So, let us get started. As you can see right here, I have a sample Google Sites that I have created in the past. And if you are interested in watching on how we created this specific website, you can watch our beginner's guide on our YouTube channel, in which I already showed you all the basic features and functions that you can use here in Google Sites so that you will become more proficient and familiar with what we have here in Google Sites. Now, once you're familiar with those, I am now going to teach you how you can embed audio like this and even video files like this. Embedding files is actually quite simple and really easy. But one thing that I want you to make sure is that your browser is completely up to date whether you are on Mac or in Windows like me. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that may come along our way. Now, when it comes to embedding files, actually you need Google Drive as your company, because everything that will happen here will come from Google Drive itself. Now, if you do not know how to access Google Drive, all you have to do is to head over to a new tab here in Google Chrome, click on this dots icon right over here, and select Google Drive. And now, as you can see right here, I have an uploaded sample file video as well as a file example for the MP3. Now, I want you to make sure that everything that you want to embed into your website is uploaded here in Google Drive so that we will not encounter any errors, and this is also the correct way on how you can embed files. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure when you are here on Google Drive is that you allow or change the permission by right-clicking on it, clicking on share, and then make sure that the general access is set to anyone with the link and the permission is set to editor so that we can embed our files into our website. Now, once you have ensured that, you want to do that on your video file as well, like so. Now, once you're done with that, double click on the file that you would like to embed. And now, as you can see, it opens up pop-up screen. Actually, let me start with the audio file right here. Now, once you're here, you want to click on this three dots icon right over here and click on open in new window. So, and now once it opens up a new tab like this, all you have to do is click on the three dot icon again and click on embed item. Now you want to copy this HTML code, head over to your Google site, in which in my case I'll put a sample here. And then click on the insert tab right over here on the right sidebar and click on embed. And right here you got two options. You got embed code and by URL. Click on embed code and paste the code here. Now for audio files, I suggest that you change the width to 360 and the height to 55 and click on next. Now, as you can see, we got a preview of our embedded audio file. Now, once you're satisfied with this, click on insert. And now, as you can see right here, we have successfully embedded our audio. Now, when it comes to embedding video files, it is the same, just like what we did. Double click on the file, and then click on the three dot icon, open in new window, and then from here, click on the three dot icon again, embed item, copy this, and then on your Google Sites, head over to the insert tab, click on embed, and then embed code, paste the HTML code. Now for here, you can change your width and your height to your likings. Let's say, for example, 1080 or whatever, but in my case, I'll just keep it like this. Now, if you're satisfied with the width and height, click on next. As you can see, we got your preview right over here. Click on insert, and there you go. We have successfully embedded our audio and video files. Now if we preview, we can actually play it right here, as you can see. I can play it like that. We can play the video as well if we want, like so. And as simple as that, we can embed our video and audio files, which could be very useful, especially if you would like to attach these files aside from images on your website. And that wraps it up for today's video. If you did learn something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And I'll take it from here, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.